you. I have a beautiful dusty lavender wig for you from LucyHairWig. I've actually done a few wig reviews with this company. Do check them out. All the links are down below for this wig, including all the other videos that I have done for LucyHairWig. So this company actually gives you a little bit of a pamphlet on the care, what to do, tangling, brushing, all that good stuff, washing your wig. So this wig is heat safe up to 340 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to correct it or modify it in any sort of way. This wig also comes with 2 wig caps, so as soon as it arrives, you are ready to go. And that's what I absolutely love. In case of an emergency, you can't find your wig caps, just order an Amazon wig and done, you're ready to go. So with all of that, don't forget everyone to check me out on Instagram down here, because I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, and wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, because it is a bunch of really cool videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. All I've done with this, I haven't even put her on yet. All I've done is cut the lace off of her. So she is a very long, lusciously curled with these beautiful wavy volumes. So she's around 24 inches. So let me just show you. And she has these beautiful different style of layers, shorter and long layers. So that's what I really like too. So it has a little bit more of a face framing or body framing waves. So she also has a medium cap and she has light lace, which is really great. I do enjoy that. And a 2.5 inch parting right here. 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the middle. And of course she has the fasteners in the back. So there she is in all of her glory. So let's put her on. So I have my wig cap, which I actually have a nude. I got from Amazon. I bought a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that, of course. Pick it up, I put my wigs on front to back. Ooh, oh my gosh. Talk about a true, wow. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I normally do not do such a huge volume front, but honestly, this feels so necessary to do a big voluminous peak up front. So, also, let's just look at the lace in the front is actually gorgeous. It's actually gorgeous, really great. Of course, by all means, if you want to customize your wig even more, pluck away at it, create it however you'd like. I've, like I said, done nothing to this wig. Also, I have my wig brush with lots of wig hairs in it. I did brush this out real lightly and honestly, very minimal shedding. So, and that's what I find a lot with these Amazon wigs. It will shed, of course, naturally slightly because it is a lot of hair. It's like 150% density, so it's a lot of hair. And you know, it sheds just like regular hair, if not a little bit less. And then also for the tangle, this is a silky wig. It does tangle extremely minimal. Any wig is gonna tangle if it's short, if it's long, no matter what, but especially the longer ones. So as I always say, always bring a little brush with you, just in case you need to brush her out. Let me stand up a little bit and show you where this falls. So I'm 5'7", and this is just at probably belly button for me right here. But look at these gorgeous curls. They're so soft and just like romantic, and I love it. Love, love, love. All right, so let's flip it on the other side to see if she gives a different look. Ooh, so the same really great little pop-up on this side. But definitely very easy to work with flipping it around. Oh my gosh. I mean, do you guys have this wig or something very similar that is just a dream? I would love to know about it. Okay, let's just do it down the middle to see if she does a little different look. I'm getting better with my wigs being parted down the middle. You know, normally it's not my jam, but what I've been finding is some wigs I actually prefer down the middle. So that's what I absolutely love about wigs and whatnot, is that sometimes it just takes you out of your little box that you live in. Even myself, even though I'm totally out there, sometimes it's good to try something different. And wigs, for me, really helped like go out of the box for me. So down the middle, I think it's okay. Then again, I feel definitely it's much better on, you know, parted on the side with this great volume front. Oh my gosh. I mean, have you seen anything more luxurious? It's from LucyHairWig. I really love it, and I'm so excited to wear it out. I feel like she's a true showstopper with this front. So luxurious. I said follow me on Instagram. I love to hear from you, and leave me a comment down below. Let's all empower each other to be the best that we can be every single day. Let's have like a community of positiveness. And of course, remember everyone, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this amazing, dusty lavender wig, wear it. And I wanna thank you, and we will see you soon.